everyone. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the World Hand Hygiene Day 2021. Second, Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. The Save Lives, Clean Your Hand global campaign launched in 2009 and celebrated annually on 5th May. World Hand Hygiene Day aims to maintain global promotion, visibility and sustainability of hand hygiene in healthcare and to bring people together in support of hand hygiene improvement around the world. For World Hand Hygiene Day today, 2021, who calls on healthcare workers and facilities to achieve effective hand hygiene action at the point of care. The point of care refers to the place where three elements come together: the patient, the healthcare worker, and care or treatment involving contact with the patient or the surrounding. To be effective and prevent transmission of infectious microorganisms during healthcare delivery, hand hygiene should be performed when it is needed at 5 specific movements and in the most effective way by using the right technique with readily available product at the point of care. This can be achieved by using the WHO Multimodal Hand Hygiene Improvement Strategy. Campaign theme: Achieving Hand Hygiene at the Point of Care. Slogan: Second, Save Lives, Clean Your Hands. Objectives: engage multiple audiences, highlighting their role in achieving effective hand hygiene action at the point of care according to the WHO Multimodal Hand Hygiene Improvement Strategy. Support implementations of the WHO 2020 recommendations for universal hand hygiene and of the WHO UNICEF Hand Hygiene for All initiatives in healthcare and facilities. Calls of action: healthcare workers, now more than ever, clean your hands at the point of care. IPC practitioners, be a champion and mentor for clean hand at the point of care. Patients and families, help us to help you. Please clean your hands. Policymakers, invest now to ensure hand hygiene for all. Vaccinators, everyone, clean your hands with every habit. It protects all of us. Facility managers, ensure hand hygiene supplies are available at every point of care. Facts and figures: appropriate hand hygiene prevents up to 50% of avoidable infections acquired during healthcare delivery, including those affecting the health workforce. Appropriate hand hygiene reduces the risk of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19 infection among healthcare workers. 1 in 3 facilities lack hand hygiene facilities at the point of care.